Hey, welcome guys, this is Paul Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango and welcome to my attic. This is for the first time I'm going to work from my attic of my house. You can see that the place over here is not very big, so I had to really compromise my location. You can see all the woods around me. So there is the magnetic loop antenna which I am going to work with today, of course. And in the house it is super windy weather conditions today. Maybe you can hear the sound from the background. It's a super windy today, not very nice day for my garden trip, so I decided to be up here. And this is not all at all. Actually, I'm going today work with QRP the first time with my ICOM 705. IC-705. Maybe you have seen already my video. Today I released, this morning I released a video about my ICOM IC-705, and this is gonna be my first transmissions from the attic and also from in the live stream. So hello Carmen, Kilo Charlie 2 Echo India Bravo. Wishing happy Sunday to you, the family. Thank you so much. Also, hello, Thomas. Let me show you my equipment here. So, this is my magnetic loop traditional antenna I'm using with my QRP setup. You can see it is standing on a tripod. And over here is the IC-705. What a beautiful rig is that, guys. It was very good decision, I believe. Even the FTX1, or how is the name, is also nice rig, but somehow I like this one. I have the ICOM 7610 already at home, and I think this is also a very nice radio. Okay. I was on the radio just a couple minutes ago and I've seen that the propagations again are not so good. So I believe that I will be able to work something on the bands. Okay, hello, Sci-Fi 64. Hello, Nail, my gosh, it's very difficult for me to pronounce it. Hello, Leon Freeman. Tom Guitar 1965. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Henny. PD1BU. Real Sea Fishing. G0 VDM. Ahoy, Marcel. EI9EE IEB 3 Victor 8 Alpha Delta. Hello, greetings to Tunisia. Mike Whiskey 1 Echo Whiskey Juliet. Very good afternoon. Okay, guys, I'm going to work with only 5 watts. I will tell you the reason. I found when I was testing the IC-705 that this internal battery, which is right there on the back, is pretty long lasting battery actually. Let me show you that on the By the way, I'm using the Chameleon tripod right here. It's a Chameleon tripod, very nice tripod. Yeah, you can hear how windy it is today. So that's the Chameleon tripod, very sturdy, but I plan to buy something else. So this is the battery, 307, and it's pretty long-lasting battery, guys. I was testing the radio and I had pretty nice pileup on 20 meters, and after 1.5 hours the battery voltage dropped down from 8.2 volts to 7.6 after 1.5 hour of operation. It was a pileup, guys, so I was talking, listening, 50-50 ratio, I would say. And this battery actually survived 1.5 hours of this heavy operation, and still 3 bars have been on the screen. Yeah, this is radio now asking what kind of battery I inserted into radio. So I inserted the BP307, that's the bigger one. As you can see, it is fully charged, and the power, maximum power, is 5 watts on internal battery. So that's why I am going to work with 5 watts, because I want to confirm that the battery will last also today, because here on the attic is maybe, I don't know, maybe 4 degrees, maybe 5 max, maybe 4. Outside is about 3 degrees and start snowing here. So okay. So I want to see how long this battery will last. So I'm going to work about 1 hour, hopefully, and you can see the battery icon right there. So it's on full. Okay. All right, guys. Let me know if everything is okay, if the picture is fine, if we can start the live stream. Okay, it's pretty close. It's a pretty close space here. It's nothing for claustrophobic. I'm not, but that's good. Okay, you can see also the antenna. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's a little bit noisy here, as I'm very close to my house. Actually, I'm on top of it, so every electronics inside my house is causing this noise over here. So I'm sorry for that. But first I need to tune my antenna. So I'm going to, well, here is it. I programmed my mic, so I'm using the B button for a mode change. I think it's much faster if I want to go to antenna and tune it. So I'm in the AM, but I need to find some clear frequency first. Maybe here. Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm using this radio for just 1-2 days, so maybe some things I will have to find on the radio. But I'm very happy. It's a wonderful rig. Okay, 315 seems to be clear, but many nets are on 315, so I would not like to disturb. Also here is something. Or maybe 17 meters. Somebody's calling DX.
Alpha Echo Oscar. Line 4 Alpha Echo Oscar. October, November 4.
Let me test.
Ontario, CQ17.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Lima Zulu something, Sierra Sierra Bravo. Your call again?
I took my logbook, a paper log, old style.
Okay, Roger. Good afternoon, Peter. Lima Zulu 2, Sierra Sierra Bravo. Your report is 5 and 7. 57 is your report, and my name is Philip, Roger.
Okay, my pens stopped working because it's cold.
Okay, Roger, thank you for the 5 and 9. You are a 5 and 7, but I have a terrible local QRM for the moment. So thanks a lot for the QSO. Hope to see you again on the band.
We got a QRM, so it's gonna be hard to
operator, so welcome to Ham Radio.
To call him.
73s and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Lots of contacts for you. Bye bye.
Hope you guys hear everything.
Okay, 73s, bye bye. QRs, this is Oscar, November 4, Alpha Echo Oscar. ON4 Alpha Echo Oscar, CQ 17.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
A kilo in the call, come again?
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP.
Station with kilo in the call, come again?
No, it's not me. I don't have a kilo.
Roger, Victor Kilo 2, Foxtrot, Whiskey, Dan, good afternoon. Good morning, now wait a second, good afternoon, good evening.
Let me check also 15 meters. But I can see some signals, not very strong.
The microphone, Mike 8, amplifier for 500 Whiskies. Meritron, Alpha Lima 811 and 2 element full size monobother looking at Europe now and next to the seat, 25 meter next to the seat, 20 meter up the ground.
Alright, I think that maybe 20 meters is the best choice today. Let me check 10 meters. You can see the noise peak clearly on the screen, but nothing but the noise on 10 meters. I have to switch off the rotor, but never mind, 10 meters is empty anyway. So I'm going down to 14 megahertz and I will try to find something here. So here's the noise peak. I'm going a little bit down. Signals are not strong, but they are full of them on the band. I need to turn off the preamp. Because of the noise. That looks clear, maybe. Guys, if you could give me some clear frequency, please go ahead. I will very appreciate it. Okay. Hello? Oops. Hello, is this frequency in use? Is anybody on the frequency, please? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. I'm Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ20. Hello, CQ, CQ20, CQ, CQ20. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20 meters. CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 20 meters. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. CQ, CQ 20 meters. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 20 meters. Do you think the band is in poor shape? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters, CQ 20 meters. I'm Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ, CQ 20 meters. That's my conditions right here. That is the question, if this loop is better than the other one. I don't know. I never tested it or compare it with the other loops. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ, CQ 20 meters. CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters, CQ, CQ 20 meters. This is QRP station, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP station, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP station, calling and listening. Maybe 17 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ. Something like slow scan television on this frequency. Well, so let's change it to maybe here. 325, maybe. Let me check SWR. Oops. I would very appreciate to have more meters, just like in 6200. I can do that by a menu and meters, but screen now is very small. But okay. Is the frequency in use? Is the frequency occupied, please? CQ, CQ, CQ20, CQ, CQ, CQ20. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20 meters, over. CQ, CQ on 20 meters, CQ, CQ on 20 meters. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ on 20 meters and listening, over. CQ, CQ20, CQ, CQ20, CQ, CQ20, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 20 meters, over. CQ, CQ, CQ 20 meters, CQ, CQ 20 meters, this is QRP station. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, QRP, over.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ20.
Yeah, my modulation is good, I would say. Pretty good balanced, right? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango on 20 meters, over. Hello, 20 meters band, CQ 20 meters band, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ on 20 meters and listening, over. Somebody's close to me. Okay, not hear me in Munich, in Germany. So maybe we should try 17 meters. And my favorite frequency, 113. No, it's occupied, so maybe something else. 123. That's a nice frequency. Is the frequency in use? Anybody on the frequency, please? Is the frequency in use? CQ17 CQ, CQ17 CQ, CQ17 CQ, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, CQ 17 meters. CQ 17 meters, CQ 17 meters. I am Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango, calling CQ. CQ 17. Oh, why am so stupid frequency? Hello CQ 17 meters. CQ 17 meters. Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ 17 meters. Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Uniform, correct? Echo Alpha 4 Hotel Romeo Uniform, do you copy? Yeah, but guys, this is frequency is in use. Guys, this is really crazy. I don't know if this is coincidence or not, but always when I am going to make a live stream, the conditions went down. I don't know why is that happening. In the morning was very nice propagations on 20, 17, everything. Signals 20 dB over. But when I start live streaming, all is going down. This is crazy. Yeah, I would like to rotate my Magloop, but it is not so simple. Look at that. You see that it is pretty stuck in between two roots here, and okay, I try to move it a little bit. Oh gosh, need to take it a little bit down. Okay, can you see the change maybe? Guys, I'm pretty above this noise, so I think it doesn't matter where I'm beaming now to, I'm right above the noise. Noise source, I mean, as I am on the attic. So, okay. No, it doesn't help too much. Anyway, I'm heading the antenna west and east. This is the direction where it should work at this time. It is an afternoon here. Yeah, height of the attic in the peak. There is 1.7, maybe 1.75 meters only, so I have to almost crawl when I go a little bit to the side, so it's not very high attic. This is a bungalow style of the house with very flat roofs, so yeah, sure, I know that when I'm heading antenna to some other directions, it will transmit to other directions, but what if I don't hear anything? I put it a little bit higher. So
Happy New Year.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao, 73. QRZ, Oscar Norway 4 Alpha, Echo Oscar.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
The Echo Alpha, come again?
Alright, 145 is clear.
No, yeah, I need your call again.
I will try that, thank you.
Echo Alpha, something south of Spain, Malaga, but I need to call again. Roger, Jose, Echo Alpha 7, Juliet Bravo Delta, Oscar Norway 4 Alpha, Echo Oscar. Thanks for coming back, Jose. You are a 5 and 9, 59. My name is Philip. Thanks a lot. Best 73s. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Ciao, ciao.
Okay, 73. Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, QRZ. This is Oscar November 4 Alpha, Echo Oscar, CQ 17.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
CQ 17, Oscar November 4 Alpha, Echo Oscar, CQ 17.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
Victoria Portable, come again?
Seems this guy has pileup. And also he told before that, he said before he has terrible noise, local noise.
Strong signal for Portable. My name's Philip, Roger.
But it's a really wonderful radio, I like it. I like the design and this big screen. And finally I'm getting some power out from the radio. I don't know if you have seen my previous live stream
Thanks a lot for the Fauna Flora, and thanks a lot for
with the Zygo 6200. It failed actually.
QRZ, this is Oscar November 4 Alpha Echo Oscar CQ 17.
Oh, QRP, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike 0 again.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
55, 5 and 5, try again.
Yeah, this is Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP, operator Paul, and you're 59 plus 10, 59 plus 10, QSL.
Roger, thank you for the 5 and 9 plus 10, best 73s, thanks for coming back on the call, and I hope to catch you again. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Thank you for 5573, Happy New Year, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, QRZ.
Alright, one QSO, or the first QSO. So 145, somebody said that it's clear, but I'm very close to the station. Somebody is close, but we'll try. Hello, CQ, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. I need to get better SWR. Yeah, that's ideal. I try to make it the best as I can. Every milliwatt counts. Hello CQ, is the frequency in use? Yeah, I'm in the roof now. Yeah, in the attic. Very nice place. Very cold place actually. Yeah, it's only 3 degrees here. Outside is terribly windy and start snowing, so not a very pleasant day for my garden activity, HI. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm on the attic. In the attic, on the attic. I don't care. I don't know my English. In the attic, okay. Alright, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mexico 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Calling CQ, CQ, and listening. Over. Okay, Tango Whiskey X-ray. India Zulu 8 Tango Whiskey X-ray. Do you copy? So definitely this frequency is also occupied, guys. Oh my gosh. Everything is occupied. Even my frequency 113 or is clear. Seems that it's clear. Hello, again. I need to change the settings. Hello, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ on 17 meters. CQ on 17 meters. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Yeah, I'm running roofs on the air. That's great. I'm Rota, yeah. Áno, na pôjde, to je dneska prvýkrát. Komu by sa chcelo ísť von do takej pľuchty, jak to voláme. Hello, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP station. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP station calling CQ and listening. Hello, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ. Hello, CQ 17 meters. CQ 17 meters. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. QRP. Somebody in Belgium could hear me as this guy before. Hello, CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. CQ. Golf 0 Bravo Victor Delta. Golf 0 Bravo Victor Delta. Do you copy? Over. Okay, QSL, Bill, QSL, Golf 0, Bravo, Victor, Delta. Golf 0, Bravo, Victor, Delta. This is Oscar, Mike 0, Echo, Tango, QRP. My name is Paul, Papa, Alpha, Uniform, Lima, and your signal 5 and 8. You are 5 and 8. 5 and 8 with local QRM, over. Yeah, QSL, thank you. Yeah, QSB is very strong today, not very stable bands. Thank you very much for the QRP contact. Thank you for the 5x5. Thank you for the 5x5 in the UK. 73, over. Thank you very much for the wishes and for watching the YouTube channel 73. Okay. QSL to England. I think it is something around 1,500 kilometers away. Maybe more. maybe 2000. Hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP CQ, CQ. Remember guys, I'm working with only 5 watts. Only 5 watts, not 10, just 5 watts. Core, yes, Core. I'm currently owning the 705, which is replacement for 6200. I still have 6200, but since now I'm going to work with 705 most of the time. Hello CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango 17 meters, calling CQ, CQ from QRP station. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango listening. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. CQ, CQ. Guys, it's a little bit dusty here. I will tell you why. You can see down on the ground, you can see the cellulose, or I hope that this is correct word. This is blowing or blowed cellulose, I would say. I think about 40 centimeters deep. Yeah, that's the insulation. And when it's so windy as today, it is whirling or whirling around, and well, I think it's not very healthy. But what I can do for you guys when I want to be online, even from attic, right? Okay, yeah, no automatic tuner in this radio, unfortunately. So, yeah, it's a really nice rig. I think 1.1 kilograms is not very athletic style of the radio. You can see it's pretty fat radio, fatter than the X6200 or 6100. But this radio includes also 70 centimeters, 2 meters, and also 6 meters, and also it pretty well receives on airband. So maybe we can hear some transmissions on airband. Okay, filter 3. What's that? FM? No, AM. Strange. Oh my gosh! Lubo, ďakujem za super chat. Thank you for super chat, Lubo. That's really strange demodulation. It should be AM here on an airband. I need to check my filter. Where is it? Yeah, it's a very narrow filter, so that's why is this so weird. Hoppa.
Bye-bye.
All right, here we go.
121075, Iguana 671, have a nice day, bye-bye.
Qantas 10, proceed direct to Blue Tango, Uniform, Victor, November, Uniform.
620, Coordinates 10.
Is it not nice, guys? Is it not nice? I love it, really. It's so beautiful, beautiful. You don't need anything to this radio, just the rig. I think it's the ham shack in the box. Definitely yes. It's really wonderful. So
05024, climb to flight level 320.
beautiful audio. I don't know if the noise reduction is on. Yeah, it's on. I will turn it off. You can hear the winds. It's pretty windy today.
Hello, Turkish 7 Delta Mike, flight level 330.
Turkish 7 Delta Mike, Bratislava, hello, radar contact.
So you are listening to the airband and the wonderful reception from the IC-705 ICOM portable rig. And you can see the full spectrum, and it is of course received on the HF antenna, the MC-20.
9911, Bratislava, good afternoon, radar contact.
Bratislava, Lot 5 Yankee Echo, hello, place level 320, direct lockdown.
Lot 5 Yankee Echo, dobrý den, radar contact.
Wonderful. It's the only activity, I think, on the airband today. I don't know, maybe it's something to do with Sunday. No idea. But I think the flights should be active also on Sundays, right? As you can see on the spectrum, that it's pretty empty. This radio has also step for an airband. You can see the step here, which is 8.33. So let's try 2 meters maybe. That's 2 meters. I can try APRS frequency, which is 144,800. Here should be APRS signals. Squelch 30%, so it's just right above the noise. That should be good. Okay. Nothing right now, but on 490 there is a beacon in but I'm not able to receive it. Just a noise. So here we have a local repeater on 650. You may see it very often on my handheld radios, named Makovica. And also you can see a sample of reception on this frequency in my video from today's morning. So something here, very weak, not even open the squelch. Alright, so this is actually also 2 meter reception, and of course this radio is capable to transmit also on 2 meters and 70 centimeters. Not airband, of course. Okay, this is also radio, but I cannot play the music, unfortunately. I would like to. Okay, 17 meters.
5DD here, so wonderful signal from your side. I'm running Oscar
Спрашивает, молдаване, где вы? А Ленин отвечает,
Russian
руку на восток
station.
протянул и говорит, все там, на приеме.
Seems that propagations may be little improved.
CQ-17, Oscar, November 4, Alpha Echo Oscar, Ocean.
Yeah, I worked him before. So we'll try to find some clear frequency and try again. Hello CQ. This is Oscar Mexico 0 Echo Tango. But SWR is not very optimal. Here. Hello CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. CQ-17. Again, I always shift the frequency with CW mode. CQ on 17. CQ on 17. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP CQ. CQ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP CQ. CQ Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP CQ. CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP CQ. I will show you my ham shack, guys. Oops. My portable ham shack is here on the attic. In the attic. Okay, I'm sorry. So, well, in the middle of the garbage. Why not? Okay. Plenty action on 20 meters. Sure, we can go there, why not? If you give me some clear frequency, I will QSY. But I need a clear frequency because there are so many stations and the weak stations on 20 meters. Hello CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango calling CQ. I think, guys, would be good to build a desk right here from the wood. Maybe I will do that in the future. I will make a little, maybe portable attic ham shack with a little desk here and maybe even chair. I will try. Hello CQ. This is Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango 17 meters. Over. Okay, nobody's there, so I'm going down to 14 megahertz. Guys, if you have some clear frequency, let me know. But you can see that signals on 20s are pretty weak. Oh, a bed here in this cold environment. In the summer, is it heat here? Maybe 60-70 degrees, so it's not very nice. Alright, I'm going far as I can. Even here I hear something. Maybe this is clear. So let's try 20. Hello, CQ, is the frequency in use? Is the frequency in use? Hello, CQ, CQ20, CQ20, CQ20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. CQ on 20, over. Guys, you can see that I'm working on the internal battery for an hour, and the battery is still on three bars. QRZ, QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP. Alright, somebody is calling me. QRZ, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango on 20 meters. Yeah, Bill, I think Gull 0, Bravo, Victor, Delta. Bill, is that you, over? No, I don't hear him. I don't hear Echo Alpha 4. Sorry. Oh, 5 and 2 in the Netherlands. That's good. Thank you. CQ20, CQ20, CQ20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. CQ20. CQ20, CQ20, CQ20. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango. CQ20. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, CQ20. CQ20, 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 Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP, CQ20. I'm still running 5 watts on internal battery. I hear something. Yeah, QRZ. QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, listening, over. QRZ, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, listening. Golf 0, Whiskey, Foxtrot Hotel, Golf 0, Whiskey, Foxtrot Hotel, Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango, QRP. Okay. Not much. Okay. Okay, you are also very weak. You are also very weak. You are also very weak. 7-3, thank you for watching me on YouTube. CQ, CQ, CQ. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango calling CQ. CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango 20 meters. Yeah, maximum usable frequency is not correct. As usual, this is always happening when I am live streaming. I don't know why is that, but today morning was very good propagation. When I start transmitting here on live stream, it goes down. I don't know why. I think just coincidence. I don't know, but it's crazy sometimes. Okay, thank you, John. You are copying me in the SDR online receiver in Netherlands 5x2. That's not bad at all. Hello, CQ, 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 CQ. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP station. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP station calling CQ, CQ and listening. Okay, Chris, thank you. Yeah, I heard you, but not very strong as you can see. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. CQ, CQ. Okay, let me check something else. A German station. Just enjoying the radio. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
QRZ?
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP.
Oscar Mike Zero, question mark, go ahead again.
Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. I need to tune my antenna. Just hold on. I will try to call him again, but I need more meters on the screen. Yeah, my SWR was near 2. Of course, not so much power out. So Parks on the air. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. I repeat, Oscar Mexico Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Over. Several times. I think he's not QRP. Oh, Turkey with the pileup. Just the weak stations. Where did go this guy from Italy?
Papa Delta 4, Charlie again? Papa Delta 4, Charlie Whiskey, QSL, Papa Delta 4, Charlie Whiskey, 5x9, Roger. Roger, Roger, thank you very much, you're
you can see my battery is on 8 volts.
Thank you very much, my friend. Delta
After 1 hour, guys. As you can see, I'm streaming more than 1 hour already on the internal battery, and it has still 8 volts. I started with 8.2 volts. Now I'm on 8 volts. That's a pretty good capacity. And remember, keep in mind that I am in a very cold environment now. I'm in, it's maybe 3 degrees plus only. No, I can't get 20 watts. Only 5 watts. Here is something.
My papa is dipole direction for Europe. Thanks for contact. Grazie, 83. Ciao, CQ20, India Whiskey 7 e Delta Kilo Sugar, CQ20. Italia Università 1, Bravo Lima Quebec. Leggermente abbondanti, che li passo anch'io. Stefano, operatore, trasmetto dalla provincia di Novara con un FT991.
Ľubo, myslím si, že som veľmi spokojný s tým rádiom. Veľmi dobré rádio. Dobrá voľba.
Gilberto, ti auguro un buon proseguimento di attività, logicamente la buon inizio a te e famiglia, e niente, grazie appunto della risposta, ti auguro un buon proseguimento, 73, risentirci alle prossime, ciao ciao. Ok, perfetto, grazie anche a te Stefano, 5-9, un po' molto ballerina la propagazione, ma ti ricevo, nessun problema. Adopero un FT5000, l'antenna parreale, multiband, tutto qui. Grazie, un abbraccio e buon anno nuovo, 73. 73, grazie. CQ20, India Whiskey 7, Delta Kilo Sugar, CQ20.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
Standby Europe e Russia, 1 second. IK2 Golf Victoria Sierra 59. Sì, ok, 10 dB il tuo segnale, è una provocazione molto strana, non è come quella di ieri, è un po' floscetta, molto QSB. Grazie, ciao, 73, buon anno Paolo, grazie. 73, the Russian station go? Radio 4, United Alpha X-ray, good morning, Sergei, 59, South Italy, QSL.
QSL, Italy, Whiskey,
Nie celkom pod stromčekom.
Okay, Roger, Sergei, it's 73 to you. My name is Gil Galina.
Pozri si môj posledný livestream. Keď som vysielal zo záhrady. Pochopíš prečo.
Microphone back to you, over. CQ20, Oscar, November 4, Alpha, Echo, Oscar, Ocean, Nicaragua 4, Alpha. Alpha, Echo, Oscar, October, Norway 4, Alpha, Echo, Oscar, CQ20.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
Echo 78, Florida Kilo, good afternoon. 5-9, Farus, 59, Roger.
Guys, this is the speaker mic, so I can use the mic, the speaker on the mic if I
Roger, 73, Merry Christmas,
if I
Happy
connect
New
the
Year.
connector.
That's Oscar, November 4, Alpha, Echo, Oscar.
Oscar Mike 0, Echo Tango QRP.
Lima X-ray.
So you can hear the difference, which is pretty big difference.
Okay, Echo Alpha,
when I connect the speaker on the side. 1 moment.
5 and 5, 55 Eddie, roger.
This is the built-in speaker right here.
Roger, thank you for the 59. Thanks for...
US 73, you're actually on the back of the app.
And that's the...
Thanks a lot for the QSO 73s. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.
Okay, this tiny, crispy sound.
Oscar, November 4, Alpha, Echo Oscar.
And this is the built-in speaker.
Echo Alpha 1, Papa Zulu Delta 59, name Philip, roger. Roger 173s, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, QRZ.
Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango QRP. QRP.
Sierra Papa.
Here is a very strong station.
Sierra Quebec 3 ending Tokyo, your call. Okay, Sierra Quebec 3, Charlie Tango, dzień dobry, 5 and 9, roger.
Yeah, he
Okay, Sierra Quebec
has
3,
a pilot.
Charlie Tango 59, thanks a lot for the contact, Thomas. 73 dzień dobry, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
QRP.
Blue 1, Bravo Whiskey.
QRP.
Bravo Whiskey 59, name Philip, roger.
It is challenge to beat the pilot with 5 watts.
Roger Abdullah, thanks a lot for coming back. Best 73s and a Happy New Year.
Oscar Mike.
Salam QRZ. November 4 Alpha Echo Oscar.
QRP. QRP. Sometimes people react on QRP only, but not this time. I will try to make this Russian station. Oscar Mike 0 Echo Tango Olga Maria 0 Elena Tamara QRP. Olga Maria 0 Elena Tamara QRP.
Всем на 20 метрах. Дима Леонид 8 киловатт. Анна, центр.
Olga Maria 0 Elena Tamara QRP.
Всем на 20 метрах.
Come on.
Дима Леонид 8 киловатт. Анна, центр.
Olga Maria 0 Elena Tamara QRP.
Метрах. Дима
My
Леонид
gosh,
8
he's
киловатт.
fast.
Анна, центр.
I don't know what's my SWR. It's high. Olga Maria 0 Elena Tamara QRP. He's gone.
Da parte mia anche 15 dB oltre di 9 in la ultima passaggio per te, Gilberto.
Bayezo, Kilo Oscar Lima, Italy Whiskey to Golf Quebec Whiskey, please. Happy New Year, just yours, that?
This is guy with the pileup, right?
Bardzo proszę, jeszcze raz o powtórzenie.
Na 595 punktu, proszę.
Is anybody on the frequency? Hello, CQ40, 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 CQ40. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango on 40 meters. CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ40. CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ40. CQ40, CQ40, CQ40. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango. CQ40. One two one two one two. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello 1 2 1 2 1 2 test. Hello 1 2 test 1 2 test 1 2 1 2 test 1 2 test. Test 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 1 2 test 1 2 hola hola 1 2 test 1 2 test test test. CQ40 CQ CQ40 CQ CQ CQ40. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ 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 40 meters. Listening. CQ40 CQ CQ40 CQ CQ CQ40. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ 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 40 meters. Listening. CQ40 CQ CQ40 CQ CQ CQ40. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ 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 40 meters. Listening. CQ40 CQ CQ40 CQ CQ CQ40. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ 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 40 meters. Listening. CQ40 CQ CQ40 CQ CQ CQ40. This is Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Oscar Mike Zero Echo Tango QRP. Calling CQ 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 40 meters. Listening. Also very nice feature. Everything is quiet. I would say maybe about 18 megahertz. But of course I have a noise here on to S5 to 6 and 10 meters. Also very quiet, no signals at all. Just something here very weak. Okay, so I think this is an over. Let me see here. I try a few Russians.
Совхозный Александр. 5758, город Славянск на Кубани, поселок Совхозный Александр. Коль, прием.
Guys, if you have any questions, maybe regarding the ICOM 705, maybe regarding the antenna, let me know into chat. I will try to answer. Or if you have any other questions regarding my older videos, just do it. I will try to answer.
Спасибо, дорогой.
I go to airband. Airband is beautiful. So I can give you an answer if I can answer to it. I need to stand up a little
Canton
bit.
4383, contact Budapest 122, decimal 980, bye-bye.
Budapest 122, decimal 980, I can tell 4383, today.
So, my portable attic ham shack and today's operation from here. Oh gosh, it's really difficult to move here. I can show you. Here is the bag I'm using for it. I have here also the power bank. The very good thing is that you can use a power bank to charge up this internal battery in this 705. So here we can see that's the one side of my ham shack and the another side of my ham shack. It's getting pretty cold. Here I have a roof window. I can show you a little bit here how great weather we have. Look at that. Ooh. Cool. You can see that.
951, contact Budapest radar 118465, bye-bye.
845,
It's very windy, so I think it was a very good time here in the attic, guys. I don't see any other questions, just one that, hi Paul, any plans to remote MC-20? That's a good question. That's a good question. Sorry, I need to go there. One moment. Hold on. It's not just like in the garden. Whew. Okay, so there is the question regarding the remote control of the MC-20 magnetic loop antenna. This is a very old project. I call it the RC-20. RC-20, it means like remote control for 20-watt antenna. And I have actually done the remote unit for my MC-20. We have made a couple of first pieces. I don't know in English now. And we have tested it. We have tested the RC-20 version, and we found very critical issue. Yeah, prototype. That's a great thing. So I have made a couple of prototypes, and they works remotely, wirelessly. It has a built-in battery and everything. It's fine. I can show you that in one of my live stream maybe, and we can also test this remote unit in one of my live stream, but it has a serious issue. It has a serious issue that I can't tune it while I'm transmitting with my radio, because the CPU or control unit, little IC inside, is freezing. It's freezing all the time when I push the PTT button and I try to control the unit. This is pretty serious problem. We try to. I say we because I'm not alone who is working on it. We are actually 3 guys who are working on the IC-20 remote control unit. And the issue is that when I'm transmitting, I can't tune the antenna. So the only way I can tune the antenna, the IC-20, is that I push the button a little bit and push the PTT button. Then again, push the tuning button and again the PTT button. It's not very convenient. I don't see it very optimal. So we are still actually working on it, but I plan to make something better. This is currently secret. I don't want to release more details about this, but this remote unit is maybe 5-year-old project which has not been yet finished because of this issue. So there is definitely the problem with the RF energy produced by the antenna itself, which makes the CPU frozen all the time. So that's the issues with the IC-20 project. But definitely, if you are interested in, guys, I will make the live stream with remote unit. If you like, I can use this 4 or 5 meter tall massive tripod. I can put the magnetic loop antenna on top with IC-20 unit, remote controlled unit, and we can play. Actually, it is controlled by the smartphone. And well, if you are interested in to see, is it not for sale? Of course, it's just a prototype. It's a function prototype, but it has some issues. It's a very nice project, by the way. Maybe some of you guys who are engineers in RF technology, you could maybe help me with this issue, and we can solve this problem with freezing, CPU freezing. Otherwise, I want not to sell it because of the warranty and some other stuff. So yeah, okay. I see that you like to see in one of my live streams. So no problem. I can make one live stream with it. Okay. Yes, John, KD2JF, your MFJ1786 sends a DC voltage down. This is completely different technology, what we have. It is technology controlled by it's wireless technology, wireless control. And we have also an application, a small program to smartphone for it. We control the antenna over the smartphone. So this is completely different. Yeah, I know it's very easy to make a DC motor on the bottom of the antenna. and control it by some other box actually on the end. But this is not the way I want to control this antenna. So therefore we are playing with this project for more than 5 years already, and still we didn't finish. And it's really hard to say that if we will finish this project. Make it wired. I don't want to make it wired actually. I want to make the antenna as much portable as I can. Less cables, better. This is my logic. Less cables, better. So the only coaxial cable, maybe we could make something like a bias voltage over the coaxial cable. That should work also. But still, you need some other box in between the antenna coax and the radio. Also some jumper cables and so forth. This is, I don't know, very good or not. But this is also an option, of course. Not so nice, but it is an option. Oh my gosh, mine is not a secret. I'm here to help people. To help people not make money. I will no unsubscribe. No idea. What are you talking about? I just don't want to sell it because people will complain and will want to return this unit back to me. So okay, never mind. Core Wortman, would it work when you make it wired? Yeah, this is all. I already answered to this. Good routines. Maybe you can try to shield MCU. That is what I also tried to shield the MCU, and it didn't work either. So same result. Probably the thing why it freezes is fact that loop capacitor have quite big voltages that creates voltage. Yeah, that's the issue. That's the issue, because the MCU is actually maybe centimeter, 2 centimeters away from the capacitor with high voltage. Yeah, that's the issue. Power over coax is just for not have to use a battery. Now, of course, maybe we can use the voltage coming out from the radio on some of connectors, but you still need some box with switches, buttons, and so forth. Okay, well done on the 705, pal. Nice radio. Maybe you could do a DVHF live stream. Yes, that was an idea what I wanted to try today. I really wanted to try DV or D-star modulation as the propagations today was really terrible on the HF, so I didn't. But definitely next time I will try also digital modulation. That would be very fun. Many people have similar radios with digital. So yeah, that's a very good idea. 73 guys, I'm going also QRT. Thank you to be here with me in this cold attic, and definitely I will try another times. Hope that the propagation will be better. So definitely I'm going to enjoy my new 705, and hope that you enjoy this radio too, even when propagations were poor. 73, and guys, I would definitely like to made another New Year or Happy New Year live stream from my home QTH. So 7.3, and hope that will work you next time in my live stream. Enjoy the day and Happy New Year 2026. Good luck, guys.